Hello dear friends, with you Yaroslav Shvets again. Welcome to my channel, and yeah, we still discussing different cool food you can do at home and so on. So we discuss a vegetarian, vegan, raw foodist, mono raw foodist diet and so on. So if you decide for try, let's say, to be a raw foodist, so probably if you just turn it in one day, it will be quite big stress for you. Compare you eat normal food every day, like boiled, fried stuff and so on, and bam, you eat just raw food. It might be a little bit stressful and quite difficult to turn on. So you can make some additional steps for change it slower and slower and slower. So basically the best way, I think, just add amount of raw food, raw vegetables, raw foods, nuts, seeds and so on, and increase such amount and see how it goes, how it feel like. But what I want to mention about the ferments or help to digestion, basically I get it from my own experience for eating at least a little bit of fruits or salads. So let's say you eat some grains, brown rice or oats or buckwheat, whatever, and meat, fish or eggs, or I don't know, eating beans. Always try to add a little bit salad to it, because it has ferments and vitamins, because everything what you cooked until more than 50 degrees, all the vitamins is break up, and the minerals basically they change the structure, so basically it will be not useful for you anymore. And ferments really easy break up as well, so all of the benefits what you might get from that you lose. So it will be necessary, if you eat some oats, let's say, or buckwheat, you add fruit there. And if you eat, let's say, basmati rice and chicken breast or whatever, add salad, always add salad. On my experience, I can say if you eat like maybe 50 grams of grains or beans, you will not feel anything. But if you eat like 100 grams of buckwheat or beans, it's a little bit heavy for digestion. But when you add salad to it, even salad with the olive oil, it feels like it digests lighter and quicker. So I try always add like little bit, at least little bit salads to food I eat. Or if I have like quite big meal already, let's say some beans and eggs, so, and don't want to make it too big for stretch my belly, so I eat salad a little bit later or maybe before. So make like extra small lunch or breakfast or whatever you can call. And how many calories you might get? 200-300 in a salad, not that much. And if you squeeze all of the vegetables, it will be like really small one. It's mostly water there. About this change to the raw foodist, if you decide to with some reason and you want to eat more raw food, but it not tastes good for you, but yeah, you can make a million different sauces, natural sauces, 1,000 recipes in the internet. So maybe I'll make another video and show what I do sometimes, and salad will be taste quite cool. You can mix the vegetables with the fruits, let's say, if you're not really fan of vegetables or roots, yeah, and add a little bit of apples or maybe even bananas or I don't know, grape. Always tastes nice in your salad. You can make a different kind of combination. About the cooking, let's say you make beans, you cook the beans or grains or whatever, and you can chop the different vegetables, and after you can mix it up. So it will be cooked beans and raw vegetables inside, but when you eat it and you add some maybe soy sauce or whatever, any sauce you done at home, it will taste nice and seems like cooked. Or you can make it cheating, like let's say some Thai cuisine. For instance, you made some omelette or chicken or whatever, and this Chinese or Asian style of pan. So you can put vegetables in a sauce. So you chop the vegetables, put it in sauce and little bit of oil, and you fried it like 30 seconds or 1 minute. So basically you fried only the edge. So it tastes a little bit like it's cooked, but basically it's raw. So you can make kind of cheating. Or you can make a soup. So it can be any kind of soup. I don't know, you make you like a creamy soup, like from maybe pea mint, like half of mint, half of pea, make a creamy soup, or maybe corn or miso soup. Let's say the miso soup. It's soy sauce, seaweed, little bit of tofu, so just the hot water, and then you chop the vegetables and just put vegetables there. So the water, it feels hot, and you have a raw vegetables with all the vitamins there, what you're not killed yet, and it will be fine. And if you need to add some oil and you want to get a good fat, not a bad fat, because when you cooked it you lose all of the potential from it and it became not healthy. So in any meal you can add oil on top of it later for not cooked it, or you can add maybe even a little bit of butter, because the spread and margarine I don't think is a really good idea for eat it. So like olive oil or sunflower oil if it's natural one, or maybe peanut oil or any good source of oil you can find natural on the market. It's really difficult to find anything natural now, but who knows, you're lucky. Yeah, just add it later to your soup or whatever, and then you have like a pretty healthy meal. So basically you can find a lot of different variety of cheating. So let's say you have a pasta with a slow carbs dark one, you cooked it, on later on you add the cottage cheese or oil on top, and you chop some, I don't know, carrots, cucumbers, some any other, I don't know what vegetables you have. Usually what I cook, I look what vegetables I have and I just cook it, but I try go in market and buy like everything, so I have all of the kind of seeds, grains, nuts and whatever. Alright, so quite enough for the food tips. Try to make short video and make more on another topic, so stay tuned.